And now to the developing story. As we speak, Election Commission officials are at Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann's official residence in Delhi, which is the Kapurthala House. Now, even as EC sources have denied any raids being conducted on Mann's residence, an official was caught on camera stating that they've got a tip-off about cash distribution. Now, reacting to this development, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi has accused the EC of bias, alleging that the BJP is distributing freebies to voters unchecked, while Aam Aadmi Party leaders, even from other states, are facing scrutiny. She has questioned why the EC is targeting Aam Aadmi Party but ignores alleged bribery by the BJP. Now, as we speak, Punjab Police senior officials are here at the Kapurthala House. Discussions is underway between the Punjab Police and the EC officials. We have received a reaction from the Election Commission official. Let's listen.
सी विजिल से हमें कंप्लेंट मिली है कि यहाँ पर केस काटा जा रहा है।
अच्छा, किसी का नाम है?
किसी का नाम नहीं है, सी विजिल से कंप्लेंट मिली है।
तो क्या आप लोग अंदर क्यों नहीं जा रहे? बाहर ही खड़े हैं आप लोग?
वो वेट कर रहे हैं परमिशन का, अपने डीआईजी से परमिशन ले रहे हैं।
So let's go across to my colleague Kritika, who's joining us live. Kritika, a very simple question. Is it a raid or is it not a raid?
Ridangshu, well, it is not a raid, as this is action being taken by the flying squad team of the Election Commission here at the Kapurthala House. On your screens as well, you can see the visuals. That is Mr. O.P. Pandey, the returning officer from the Delhi Election Office. And this is the Kapurthala House where he's been waiting. A complaint has been given to him, given by him, in fact, to the Delhi police as well. Because remember, this is a complaint that has been filed on the C-Vigil app. Now, C-Vigil app is a portal wherein citizens can put out their complaints, and these complaints have to be resolved within 100 minutes. So at 3:50 is when this complaint was registered on the platform, and as per guidelines of the platform, within 15 minutes the team has to be deployed. And on your screens you can see that the officials are here. Additional deployment of Delhi police and additional forces have also been put in here, but the officials have not yet been allowed to enter the premises. Now, as per the guidelines of the platform, it is stated that if the complaint is not being resolved, or in any case when such permissions are not being given to enter the premises, because these officials are supposed to enter the premises, they're supposed to file their report of findings and then continue other activities like seizures and filing of an FIR. But in this case, we are seeing that the permission from Delhi police security here, as well as the Punjab security personnel, is not being given to the election officers, and that is why the officials are still waiting outside. Just a minute ago, the officials had told us that they will still be waiting here, waiting patiently for the permission to come in. Now, Bhagwant Mann, the CM of Punjab, he resides here whenever he is in Delhi. Currently, he is at a rally in Greater Kailash campaigning for Saurabh Bharadwaj. And while on the campaign, he has also put out a tweet stating that there have been multiple occasions wherein the Aam Aadmi Party has been complaining of similar cash distribution, as well as complaints of liquor distribution as well, but no action has been taken. So now the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging partiality on part of the Election Commission. But so far we've been standing here since about a little before 5 p.m. now, and till now no permission has been given. Mr. Pandey, we are live on Mirror now. एक छोटा सा ही बस क्वेश्चन लेंगे. टाइम ऑलरेडी अप हो चुका है. 3:40 पर ये कंप्लेंट मिली थी. अभी तक आप एक्शन नहीं ले पाए हैं. आगे का प्रोसेस क्या रहेगा?
अभी और वेट करेंगे. इन्होंने 15 मिनट का टाइम करके आगे बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं. वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग, वरना इस कंप्लेंट को आगे पे एस्केलेट करेंगे, बताएंगे कि इस तरह से कंप्लेंट रिजॉल्व नहीं कर पाए हम.
राइट, सो क्लोजर रिपोर्ट का बिना फाइलिंग अंदर करे आप नहीं फाइल कर सकते. So this is the word that is coming in from the returning officer, from Mr. Pandey. He is saying that the personnel here is asking them to wait again and again by a time period of 15 minutes, and they're still patiently waiting. These are his words, and he's also telling us that they cannot file the closure report unless and until a finding has been done. So the next course of action, in case permission will not be given, would be an escalation of this complaint, would be filing more reports with other senior officials as well, and that is how it is going to be taken forward. But remember, this entire escalation that you're seeing on your screens, our camera person Bharti is also giving you visuals of the security personnel that has been deployed here since well before 5 p.m. now, and it only appears that this is going to continue for a lot more, a long while more as well. The crux of the matter remains that just in earlier in the day as well, Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu had also given a complaint. He had put out a message saying that vehicles of MLAs from Punjab, that vehicles of government employees from Punjab, he's alleging is being used to ferry cash, to ferry liquor, and this is being distributed to induce voters. Now, the fresh complaint that has been received on the C-Vigil platform lays out that cash distribution complaints had come in from the Kapurthala House itself, and that is why the flying squad team has been deployed here. They're supposed to reach here within 15 minutes of receipt of such a complaint, and post which they have to file their findings and take adequate action, whether be it a warning that has to be given to the alleged accused, or to file an FIR. And after this, the original complainant is also notified of further action. But so far, it looks like there is a stalemate here. The officials are again and again trying to ask permission from different Delhi police officials, as well as the personal security that has been deployed here. But so far, entry is being denied again and again. And the Aam Aadmi Party continues to allege partiality on part of the Election Commission, given their complaints as well.
Speaking-
Today as well, right here in the evening, Atishi.
Well,